What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy here with more 1 minute meetings, and today we're going to talk about a 10th step, taking a daily inventory. So let's go ahead and say that you have a car that you have restored. You bought this old car and you restored it to its original condition, and then there is going to be some maintenance afterwards. You're still going to have to change the oil, get some gas, put air in the tires, do all that stuff, rotate the tires in order to maintain the vehicle. And our sobriety is the same exact thing. So once we restore ourselves to sanity, which is the ability to think and behave in a normal, rational manner, there's going to be some maintenance involved. So we learn about ourselves, we go through our emotions and learn about that, our character, our shortcomings. We even make a list of people we harmed and go and make those amends. So that is kind of like restoring the car to its original condition. You put the paint on, change the rust, do all that stuff. And then the car or yourself has the ability to function normally and behave in a rational manner. That's what it's like to be restored to sanity and restore ourselves to our original condition. After that, there's more maintenance that we need to do to prevent problems from arising back up. And we do this by taking a daily inventory. Every single day, we see how was our day? Did I hurt somebody? Do I owe any amends? Do I need to fix anything? Is there anything I have to adjust before this problem gets too much out of hand? Now, as a car, there's things that can gauge you and tell you that, like your gas light or your check engine light, and your body's the same exact way. If you're sleeping too much or not sleeping enough, these could all be warning signs that you may need more sleep. Some examples are halt, hungry, angry, lonely, tired. If I have a desire to use or I'm getting frustrated, is that maybe I should eat first? Maybe I'm angry right now. Perhaps I'm lonely or tired. These are some simple daily maintenance things that people can do to continue with their recovery. Now, the actual step is we continue to take personal inventory, and when we were wrong, promptly admitted it. What this is going to do for you is it's going to help increase your knowledge around yourself, and you'll begin to identify some patterns so that when you get into this situation again, you can actually change your decision and build a new character, deal with emotions a little bit better. This is huge for people. Some people get to this point and they never change their oil, they never get gas, and they just accept that the car is new and they leave it in the garage the whole time. You don't want that to be you. You don't want to just recover and then you're good. Like people get out of rehab and they're like, I'm good, I'm cured. No, there is more stuff that you need to do. So get out there and keep on doing it. You've done so good of a job restoring yourself to this point. Don't let that car die in the garage. This is 1 minute meetings on step 10 and continuing your personal inventory. See you next time. Take